Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to be testing out this new Fouroscope. It's a face palette from Benefit. It comes in 3 different shade packages. I got the one, I don't know. Oh, it's Air Goddess. I don't remember what the other 2 were, but one was darker and I think one was lighter because this one was in the middle on the ad. Anyways, I thought this one was gorgeous because for one thing, it has my favorite Dandelion in there. That doesn't look like my Dandelion. Oh, it's not. Oh well, it's still beautiful, I'm sure. Well, it's definitely not my Dandelion highlight. Blush highlight palette. This Solstice is the dark pink one. Georgia is this kind of goldy one. Blaze is this one. It's kind of a champagne-y color. And then Dandelion is matte. It must be the blush. But I don't know if I want to use this for a contour because it doesn't say. It says blush and highlight palette. So we're going to use the blush and highlight out of here, but I'll probably contour with my Bobbi Brown because I love that. But I thought that when I looked at the picture in the ad, I thought this was a bronzer, and I don't think it is now. I think it's a blush. Anyways, this is what we're gonna test out. I also have this Tattoo Studio brow that I think I've tried it before and I didn't like it, but I'm pretty sure I had too dark of a color, and Casey Holmes has been raving about it, so I thought, well, I better try it again. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it again. But first, I don't have a new foundation, so we're just going to use my Dermablend. And I've already mixed it up, and I've already done the TikTok method. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm trying to make this kind of fast because it's very late. And it's hot in here. I had to turn the fan off. It's like 80 degrees here, which I know that doesn't seem hot, but it's also stormy. So it's super humid, and I can't have the fan on when I'm filming because it makes too much noise. I really like this stuff. I do have to mix that NYX color changer thingy, tint drops, because I got light ones. But they were PR, so you know, and normally if I'm not tanning or anything, this color might be okay. Actually, no, it's still a little bit light, but that's okay. I have those drops to fix it with. I'm going to go in with concealer. All right, let's blend this in real quick. I'm going to see if I can do my eyes with that palette too, just to see how versatile it is. I'm kind of disappointed that the Dandelion that I thought was my favorite highlighter isn't the highlighter at all, because the Dandelion that I have is from Benefit. So you'd think they wouldn't name something else with the same name of their same brand, because if it wasn't for that name, I mean that highlight, I don't know if I'd have picked that one. Of course, I probably would have picked wrong anyways because I thought they were bronzers in there. So now let's go in and powder it before it tries to move around. Okay, I think I'm going to do my eyebrows before we go into the palette. So this is the color Blonde. And I already tried it on my hand, and it looks so light on here and even right there. But then once I put it on my hand, it was darker. It looked good. So let's see how good it looks in my hair. And her big thing was, it's so quick. So that's what I'm hoping for. I like it. I'm going to go over it a little bit with a, because I think it got a little thick there at the end. I think it looks good though. Kind of fat right there. I just probably need to practice using it. See how we do on this eye. This is the awkward eye. Try not to get so thick now that I know it does that. I like it. I think it looks great. And see how much darker it looks than it does on this blonde thing here? So this is good. Well, I'm going to do my Bobbi Brown first because it's what I always do, and there's no contour in there. So basically it's a highlight and blush. So we're going to get some color. Trying to keep it kind of low so that we can still see the highlight. I mean the blush. So let's go into our new palette and let's do first we'll do the Dandelion. Because, oops, that's not the Dandelion. First we're going to do the Dandelion on my cheeks. Which is very light. I can't even see it. I can see it on the brush. I can see it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this darker pink. But I'm going to concentrate it a little more by squeezing it. Because there's a little bit of shimmer to it. And I kind of like that. It's pretty. Now, let's see. You guys aren't even going to be able to see these if I swatch them, but I'm going to try. This is the Blaze. And it's kind of a toppy. It's got some pink in it. And it's got some shimmer in it. And then this is going to be the Georgia. It's more gold. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one up here. that I just put on my, it's the Solstice. So see, it's got a little bit of shine too, but you can put it on real light. I just did. So what do we want to use? I'm going to use the top one, I think. Even though none of them have enough shine for me. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure if I'm loving this palette as much as I thought I was gonna. So let's go. I think I usually always use my finger to do my highlight. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm using the Blaze one, the lightest one. Well, I see the shimmer, but it's definitely not blinding. But it is pretty. It's just not what I'm used to. And I don't usually ever use one that's not like lighter. All right, let's see. It looks pretty good. Well, there it is, you guys. Let me show you what the real Dandelion looks like. We'll put it right over the top of that. Oops, I just stuck my fingernail in it. This is much better, I think. Which is why I got this one, because I thought this was the highlight I was getting. And I thought this would be a perfect palette. Had it been what I thought it was, where this one was a bronzer, and this was really the Dandelion that I was looking for, I would have used these two for eyeshadow, and this would have been a perfect travel palette. However, I'm not thinking I care for it that much because it's just not what I thought it was going to be. I'll use this Georgia in the crease. I am sweating. Here, let me use my fan. Because I don't think sweat's good for putting on makeup. But we don't have time for that. So I'm using the Georgia, which was this bronzy one, which is kind of gold. And I'm just going to put this in the crease. I can't even see it. Maybe I'll put the pink one in the crease. It's darker. We'll do that. I like that better. Doesn't match my shirt though, that's for sure. But that's okay. We're just making it work. So the two together are kind of pretty. I don't think I'd pay this much for it. Did I tell you how much it cost? $36. Yeah, I don't think I'd pay this much for it if it was this far from what I wanted it to be. I'm really disappointed. I really wanted it to be awesome because I really like Benefit stuff. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Dandelion, the real Dandelion, and put that on the inner part of my eyelid. I think it's pretty, so we can save it, but, you know, it's not what I thought it was. I don't think it's worth $36. Anyways, I'm going to finish my makeup by putting on some lipstick, right? Is that all we got left? I could put on liner, but I don't think I need it with these new lashes on. What do you think? Liner? Nah. Okay, we'll put on some lipstick. Let's see. What do we got? We've been wearing the same thing all the time because that's what I like. Which is this juicy one. But how about this one? This Plumper one that we got from Physicians Formula, I think. Because this color kind of matches the eyes, huh? I can feel the tingle. Well, that's it, guys. What do you think? Is it a keeper? No. No, I don't think so either. Too expensive. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!